Hello everybody. The title of my study is Functionality of Mini-Melting Foundry Furnace Utilizing Water and Oil as Fuel. I am Dr. Raimundo V. Romero of Partido State University, Goa, Camarines Sur, Philippines. The advancement of any nation technologically has been influenced and elevated by the extent to which it can usefully harness and convert its mineral resources that include the productions of metal. The focus of the energy sector is not on how to bring down the energy costs, but instead is how to meet the country's increasing demand for energy and devise a way for energy efficiency and conservation. There was a research found that gasoline with water injection showed better performance than without. However, my study was able to construct a melting foundry furnace using water and use oil as the fuel. The objective of my study is it investigated the functionality of mini melting foundry by injecting water and use oil as fuel. Specifically, the objective of my study is that it constructed an economically fueled foundry furnace. It established a setup with injectors using water and oil as fuel. And then the performance of the setup was investigated and they were quantified with known amount of water and oil. The methodology that I use, we use the old cylindrical tank, the 10 millimeter diameter reinforced structural bar, 1/4 diameter metal pipe, metal tubing, welding rods, steel epoxy, plastic bottles, plastic controllers, metal stand, and plastic hose. The equipment that I use are the welding machine, electric grinder, and electric cutter. The fabrication procedure and assembly, the cylindrical tank was cut to dimension and shape to form the furnace. The reinforced structural bars were cut and welded as stand and frame. Opening and closing lid were provided with small opening at top. The interior part is provided for placing of a graphite crucible. The burner was with small holes and metal tube as airflow exit. The airflow was with small fan attached to the metal tube. The fan has control to adjust air from minimum to maximum velocity. The gas burner was placed that flame is in direct contact with graphite crucible. The metal pipe provided for separate passage of water and used oil. One is attached to the oil plastic container while the other is the water. Then they were mounted vertically at equal height, injecting oil and water to the foundry furnace. The injection process used gravitational force so that the oil and the water container were put at the higher places. Heat-resistant metal epoxy was used to attach the metal tubing and pipe to the foundry furnace. The data gathering procedure that was used are the following. The data for the first objective was focused on the fabrication of the mini furnace, such as the specification, design, and major feature of the furnace. The data for the second objectives, they were collected through several trials. Functionality of the setup was established whether it is fueled with oil, water, and air. It looked into maximum height that burning flame reaches and the duration of burning. Done by putting 2.5 millimeter of used oil inside the furnace. Functionality was investigated using the following situation: oil and fuel with no fan, oil as fuel with fan at minimum speed, oil as fuel with fan at maximum speed, oil with water but no fan, and oil with water at minimum speed, and oil with water and fan at maximum speed. Water was supplied through droplets at a known amount. The data for the third objectives, they were more focused on quantifying the amount of water being mixed with the burning oil as fuel. Among them is 1 droplet of water per 10 seconds being mixed with 1 droplet of oil per 5 seconds, which means that the droplet of oil or D sub O is 2 times faster than the water droplets or DW being supplied to the furnace, or the equation is D sub O equals 2 times D sub W. 1 droplet of water per 10 seconds being mixed with oil at 1 droplet per second, which means that the droplets of oil is 10 times faster than the water being supplied to the furnace as fuel, or the equation is D sub O equals 10 times D sub W. When 1 droplet of water per 10 seconds being mixed with 2.5 droplet of oil per seconds, this means that the droplet of oil is 25 times faster than the water supplied to the furnace as fuel, or the equation is D sub O equals 20 times D sub W. The droplets of oil and water. 1 droplet of oil was estimated as 33.51 cubic meter, which is similar to 1 droplet of water. The droplets occur as the fluid passes through the control for water or oil inflow, which happens since the diameter of the equipment are the same. For the air velocity, it was supplied through the air fan attached to the metal tube. Air fan can be adjusted to attain minimum and maximum velocity. The minimum velocity was estimated to be equal to 120 millimeter per second, with the maximum velocity was 850 millimeter per second. Then the design SIP-up is shown in the screen. We have there the figure. And the figure, you will see there their parts such as control for water inflow, the water injectors, the panel for injected water, control for oil inflow, the metal furnace. It indicates also there the oil injection, the panel for injected oil, the metal stand. There was a hose, the metal pipe, air fan, metal tube, and fan controller. So that was the detail of the design SIP-up. The functionality of the SIP-up. So I have there table 1, which shows the functionality of the SIP-up using oil, water, and air as fuel. So for oil with no water and no fan, the height has reached 23 centimeter at a duration of 10.53. The oil with water and no fan, the flame has reached 78 centimeter height at duration of 1.23 minutes. Using oil with no water but with fan at minimum speed was 19 centimeter at duration of 10.38. Then with oil with no water but with fan at maximum speed was 12 centimeter at duration of 5.42 minutes. Oil with water and fan at minimum speed has reached the flame of 54 centimeters at 2.27 minutes. And oil with water and fan at maximum speed has reached the height of 46 centimeters at duration of 3. We will see there table 2, which shows the functionality with quantified amount of water and oil as fuel. Now, if D sub O is equal to 2 D sub W, the height of the burning flame reaches 3 centimeter if no air fan was supplied. If there is air fan at minimum speed, it also reaches 3 centimeter, and with air fan at maximum speed is 0. If D sub O equals 10 times D sub W, no air fan has reached the burning flame at 20 centimeters, with air fan at minimum speed is 35 centimeter, with air fan at maximum speed is 20 centimeter. If D sub O equals 20 D sub W, no air fan, the burning flame has reached 30 centimeter, with air fan at minimum speed is 45 centimeter, with air fan at maximum speed is 27 centimeters. On the screen, you will see there the figure showing the height of burning flame versus d sub O over d sub W. We have there the graph in which the y-axis is representing the height of the burning flame and the x-axis is representing d sub O over d sub W. In figure A, you will see there no air fan was supplied. Letter B, with air fan at minimum speed, and letter C is with fan at maximum speed. And if we are going to interpret the table, it shows there that if d sub O over d sub W is less than 2, the burning process will not perform. If d sub O over d sub W is greater than 2 but is less than 20, the ratio is typical for burning oil and water. And if d sub O over d sub W is greater than 20, the ratio is dangerous for the flame is at extreme height. So the conclusion of my study was that on the study, I was able to establish a setup of a furnace which the combination of oil, water, and air was used for sustainable burning. Using oil with water and no air, fan was found to attain the highest burning flame, while it has also the shortest period of duration. Looking at the ratio d sub O over d sub W, can establish the sustainable operation between water and oil to be burned as fuel. The functionality of the flame burning inside the furnace will not function well if the ratio between the speed of the droplet of oil against the speed of the droplet of water, or d sub O over d sub W, is equal or lesser to 2. It may function if with sustainability of if d sub O over d sub W varies from more than 2 to 20. However, with d sub O over d sub W at above 20 is already dangerous for the furnace to continue the burning operation, since the height of the burning flame could reach the extreme level. Follow-up study of expanded duration and burning oil with water is recommended. A follow-up study also with the design of the top cover and the actual melting of metal is also recommended. Thank you very much for listening.